Hey everyone, I've installed an open exhaust from Miltek on my Megane RS. It's an open pipe, so no dampers. And I've made this video so you can all hear how exactly does this sound. It is louder in real life, especially the pops and bangs. The camera doesn't pick it up how the sound is. Also important to know, there's no drone in the car except when you let go of the gas between 4 and 5000 RPM. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you liked the video. If you need anything to know, just ask. Thanks for watching.